Respected teachers,
Start.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, this is P. Akshaya. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say the complete seminar regarding the soil pollution. Let us go to the seminar. Our environment is almost composed to air and water and atmosphere. The interaction of lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is continuing for years together, and it was very clean and enjoyable. But due to the various of human activities, the environment got changed. Next, what is soil? Soil is a three major natural resources, and it was a marvelous product of and they are alongside and air and water. They are the marvelous product of nature and which would be a no life. And this is a components of the soil. Air 25%, water 25%, organic matter 5%, mineral particles 45%. Soil can create a habitat for fungi and other related bacteria and other related organisms, and it is a turn feed to quantity plants. And what is the soil? How it is created? And it is a long and complex process to create a 1 inch of topsoil, and it can take the 100 to 10,000 years to grow the 1 inch of soil and topsoil. And it was affected by the thawing, wetting, drying and cooling, heating like this. There are so many, and this was the topography of living organisms and plants and animals. Next. These are the soil properties. Biological of physical property and physically soil property, chemically soil property. In physically soil property, there is a 4 types: air, water, tilth and organic matter. In biological, there is a root, weeds, bacteria, insects and chemists. In chemically, there are 4 types: and NPK, micro, pH, salinity. Soil fertility. Fertility of a soil is known as nothing but the soil fertility, and it is a very important to the soil conversion. It may use to the soil conversion and pH of uses. And this is a physical soil fertility, biological soil fertility and chemical soil fertility. There are 3 types in all items, like well-developed structure and adequate, like this: adequate prosperity, air and water, and ample and watering. Biological, abundance of biological activity, humus available for plant nutrition uptake, cycling of nutrition, chemically balanced and available macronutrients, optimal trace electrons. And this was diagram dependent to soil fertility, which was in green color endobacteria and which was brown color rhizosphere bacterium. Green color is other bacteria. This is a entomysocaria and amblyopsis mysocaria. These are the other bacteria which is in green color. Soil pollution. The impact of human activities, the environment got changed, and it was may causes many problems like soil pollution, land pollution and noisy pollution. Like this is, there are so many. And this is the table of wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste is a vegetable peels and fruit peel, waste tomatoes, dung. And dry waste are biscuit wrappers, chocolate wrappers, plastic bottles, junk food covers. For capita, wet waste produced at home is equals to total weight of wet waste material by number of persons in your family. It is dumping and decomposition. It is a dumping where it takes place at the rivers and ponds and lakes. There are 2 types of dumping and decomposition. One is biodegradable and another one is biodegradable. This is a pie chart of soil pollution. Paper 20%, others 5%, peat waste, 1% metal waste, 7% composition materials, 8% organic waste, 32% and plastic, 15% textiles, 2% glass, 2% construction decomposition, 8%. Causes of land pollution. It is a land pollution. For example, we will take a land and keep in a bomb into that, and it will blast for which time we converted, and it blast after see that the land was very disturbed and the land was very dirty and unclean. This is a biomagnification. ppm means nothing but parts per million. Here eagle taking the snake, and here insect was eating by the frog, and this is a grasshopper in the grass. Biomagnification is nothing but like this, the nutrition necessary for plants and growth found at very low like this, and ppm is nothing but parts per million. In order to obtain the quantities, dissolve quantities in plant and must collect these chemical elements from a relatively large from volume of water like this. Deforestation. Deforestation is nothing but the cutting down trees in the forestation. Nowadays, the deforestation is more in the forest. If we cut down the trees, the people may have not chances to live in the earth. And it was the one and only planet who lives the humans in the planet. That is the earth. If you cut the trees, the humans also will die. So plant trees. Next our topic is deforestation, agriculture development and temperature extremes like this, and precipitation including the acid rain, and like this the human cutting down the trees in the forest. And it was a main thing is acid rain also is causes the deforestation. Next, bioremediation. Bioremediation is nothing but is a use of biological remedy and to abate or clean up contamination like this, and to make the different particles from vedaminities and where we contaminated and removed from the CO2 and it gets from the O2 to the burial in the landfill. Soil conversion. Soil conversion is the one of the most important to the soil conversion, and there are so many types like soil of pH, salinity, crop rotation, planting trees. Planting trees is nothing but when you take a plant and take a tree and plant it into a ground which it will grow is known as the plant tree. And crop rotation is nothing but the when we take in summer season we will make the mango fruit, and when we got the winter season we will make that watermelon. Like this there are a crop rotation. This is known as the crop rotation, and we learn into that in the challenges improving in the agricultural products and process of the urbanization. And in the cities the solid waste are the wasting that solid waste into the 50,000 to and 80,000 tons was daily releasing the from cities, and it was tons, and it was very difficult to load the all 50 tons into the soil depth, and it was very easy to clear that when we Swachh Bharat like this Swachh Bharat. And DDT is nothing but the dichlorodiphenyl trichloroether, and BHC is nothing but the benzene hexafluoride, and these were used in the crop rotation and the planting trees. Parts per million, like this only I show. See, this is the ppm, parts per million. This is known as the parts per million. Dumping of solid waste, and the dustbins are mostly used at the recycle bin and controlling our. Next our topic is the controlling the soil pollution. There is a mainly 4 types: reducing, recovering, reusing, recycling. Reusing is nothing but if you take a plastic bottle, you drink and thumbs up bottle and throw it away and observe what would be happen, and you will throw at the dustbin, and that would be taken into plastic bottles number, and they will recycle it again, and again it was made by the plastic again plastic bottle only or plastic boxes or recycling. If you take papers, or you can clear the papers by the recycling in the dustbins. If you wear the dustbins, it can go to the Swachh Bharat or municipalities corporation, and they are prepared by the recycling into the machines. They use the machines to clear the recycling. And reduce. Reduce is nothing but nowadays all the plastic was more in the society. If you take plastic bottle, plastic covers, plastic boxes, and like this there is so many plastic. If you take the plastic and throw it away, the cow was came at the same time, and the cow will eat the plastic and the cow will die. So we should reduce the plastic. This is known as the reduce. In this society, like this, some things like this we should reduce, and we should recycling, and we should reuse, and we should the recycling reduce like this. There are so many like this. And thank you for spending your valuable time for watching my video.